Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be discussing the chain rule. The chain rule is going to be one of the most useful tools in calculus, so it's really important that you learn to dominate this rule. What this rule helps us do, it helps us evaluate the derivative of a function that's a composition of functions. So we have a function h of x, and that function is composed of functions. In this case, g of x is with an f. Then how we take the derivative of that is that we multiply the derivative of the outside function times the derivative of the inside function. Now this is a very common scenario in calculus. Here we have a situation where we have a function h of x that's composed of two functions. The outside function in this case is sine, and the inside function is the square root of x. So we already have this form in this problem. We have the outside function being sine, and we have an inside function being the square root of x. So our goal here is to take the derivative of this function, and that's what the chain rule helps us do. So in order to evaluate the derivative of this function, we simply follow the rule. So it says in order to evaluate this, we're going to multiply times the outside function, the derivative of the outside function, which in this case is cosine. We're going to leave the inside function alone. So we're going to get the square root of x inside, and we're going to multiply times the derivative of the inside function, which in this case is going to be, as we know, the power comes out front, we subtract 1, so we're going to get negative 1/2. So this is the derivative of this function, and that's what the chain rule helps us evaluate. It helps us evaluate a function that's composed. So this is this is the derivative, so we can just rewrite that a little bit more properly, and we're going to get cosine square root of x over 2, and that's the derivative of this function here, and the chain rule is what's going to help us evaluate these functions. If you found this helpful, I'm going to be making more videos on the chain rule. Check out my page, please. I hope I didn't leave out too much, and thank you.